guys, welcome to my 6th Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sort text, numbers, and date in Microsoft Word. There are a few steps you need to know. First, you'll need to make sure that your list is typed and properly listed down in order for the sort tool to work. It must be listed in paragraph like I have it here. Or you can create bulleted list tool like this or order list tool. You can sort them as long as they are separated and created in their own paragraph. The second step is to highlight the name that you want to sort. So far I have 5 names here. So I'm going to highlight it. After that, I'll click the AZ button. It is in the Home tab under the paragraph grouping to sort the text. And now you will want to sort by paragraph, and this is text. There are numbers and date, but this is text. The names are text. So I'm going to arrange them in ascending order from A to Z. Descending is from Z to A. So I'm going to arrange it in ascending order. And then I'll click OK. Now you can see that it goes down according to the alphabetical order. Once you know how to sort the text in order, you will also know how to sort the numbers in order. Let me use this example. First, you'll have to highlight the numbers that you want to sort. Go to the sorting button, which is in the Home tab under paragraph grouping, and you will sort. Click the button and you will sort by paragraph and choose number option and choose ascending and OK. Here you go. You can see that the number are in order and the name are moved according to the numbers. Now, I have prepared 3 examples to show you how to sort the date. In order to sort the date, it doesn't matter what format you have used to write the date. It can be in a number form, text form, like this, or in a table. They all can be arranged in order. So you will do the same thing as you sort the text and the numbers. Highlight it, click the sorting button, and choose the date option and ascending order. OK. You'll see that the person who born in 1991 will come first and down to 1999. And you will do the same here as well. Highlight it, date, ascending order. 1991 will appear first and 1999 will be at the bottom. But when it comes to sorting the text or the date in table, you'll notice that there is 2 columns. So you have to check that which one you want to sort, the name or the number that you want to sort. So you will select them, click the button, you choose the date because you want to arrange by date, ascending order. So the name will move according to the date. So this is all for sorting the text in alphabetical order, sort by number, and sorting the date. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video for more Microsoft Word tutorial.